Hey guys, it's at the end of the day, I'm tired, and I can't stand my hair. So instead of going to bed at 9:40-ish, I may be making the biggest mistake I can by trying to buzz the back of my hair. Not like skin short, but I am going to use the buzzers. But the reason is, I don't know if you can see it in the mirror, but my hair is doing this weird ducktail at the bottom as the pixie cut is growing out. So what I was thinking is that a good way to grow it out is to keep the length in the front and just trim it to make it a slant bob. So I don't know if I just trim up to here, maybe make it look like a 1920s kind of a slant bob, because I like that look the most when it grows out to about chin length. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And the reason why this might be a really, really bad decision is because this is during my no spending November. So because this is kind of along the lines of like looks and clothes and fashion and stuff, I'm not going to be spending any money on that. And so in the past I've always thought, well, if I make a mistake, not only does hair grow out, but I can go somewhere and fix it. But I'm not going to be spending money this month, so I have to get it right. And in the morning I've got a mom's group thing to go to, so I really don't want to mess it up. So hopefully this will be entertaining for you if nothing else, and we'll see what happens. So this is the before, and we'll see what I can do with it. I like this because it does have a vacuum in it, which is good for clipping hair on kids that have sensory processing disorder. So that's really distracting. But in any case, let's get to it. I'm going to select that's a number 9, not any of that. Okay. I'm going to try to find a number 3 or 4. I'll probably found a 4. I'm starting with a 4. Now I'm going to put on my really weird looking spacesuit, just to try to catch the falling hair. What doesn't go in the vacuum. This doesn't work like 100%, but maybe it'll help a little bit. Here goes nothing. Looks ridiculous right now. I actually look like that kid from, what is that show my dad used to watch? Tim the Toolman Taylor, you know, that oldest kid? I look like him. So hopefully we can fix that. Well, I think I better stop there. I'm going to change out the, whatever this thing is, attachment. So I'm just going down one to a number 3 instead of number 4. And that cleans it up. I already feel better about my haircut. Now I'm gonna wash it and style it, and then you can let me know if you think it was a success or if next month when I can spend money I should go get it fixed. So write in the comments below. If you speak the truth in love, I'll be okay with whatever you say. I'll be right back. Here's how it could look if I really wanted to slick it back and be punk rocker-ish. It's kind of fun. But I'm going to style it to be more foofy and feminine. So this is just a mixture of a tablespoon of sugar dissolved in water. Well, I'm happy with that. I had been cutting by scissors before. When I got my hair cut short, I just realized it looks a lot more seamless like this. So that's why I got the buzzers out, and I think I'm gonna keep doing it till I grow the bob out. Just keeping the back short and clean looking. So and I'm glad that I don't have to regret my no spend month.
Wait. What are you talking about? It's not over yet. You only have one sweater in your closet, and it's freezing cold outside.
So what's a girl to do in the middle of week 1 of her no shopping challenge and she needs a sweater? Well, I just swiped my husband's. I think it works. I just rolled up the sleeves a little bit. Yes, they are baggy, but I'm warm, I'm happy, so I'm going with it. After I got dressed, I came out of the room and my daughter goes, "Why are you wearing daddy's clothes?" And my husband just laughed, so it's what I'm doing, and it's gonna keep me warm. And I would normally just run out to Goodwill or somewhere and find a sweater, but I'm making this work and I'm having fun with it. And he's got another one like it in blue, tan, and it has orange triangles. So I might even swipe that one this week too. Feels good to stick to my program and finish something that I start, and I'm gonna keep on keeping on for the rest of the month. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe below if you haven't already. It helps grow my channel and I really appreciate the support. And let's see if I can get this side right this time. Click the notification bell up here if you'd like to know when the next video is out. Alright, hope you have a great day.